Hi, good morning. Well, the selling continues unabated in the broader end of the market, and in fact, today you also have quite a bit of selling in the large caps as well, but a large amount of selling is taking place in the broader markets. Why, you may ask? It's probably because these indices and the stocks therein have run up tremendously over the past several months, and this is time for correction. Quite a few of the stocks in these indices have actually gone past what many would consider would be fair value. In fact, a lot of them have even gone past the realms of being overvalued. Some of them, in fact. So if you look at the screen, you see 1.6% lower for the mid-cap index as a whole. You see the small cap index down about 2.5%. This is the third day of consistent selling on these indices. The question is, how much more will they be sold into? And that is anybody's guess. What could happen from this point is a churn from mid cap and small cap back into large cap, whereas over the past several months you've seen that the mid cap and the small cap index have in fact outperformed the benchmark indices. But the benchmark Nifty currently also down about 0.3%, 16,235 is the ticker where it is right now. And today's day, I would say, is a story for metals. The entire basket is higher by 1.7% or thereabouts, and you have the likes of Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel all gaining between 2.75% and 1.7%. Apart from that, you have quite a bit of selling. So the financial names are being sold into. You have M&M Finance that's down about 1.9%, Bajaj Auto down about 1.7%, Tata Consumer, Bajaj Finance, Sun Pharma, across the board selling. In fact, if I look at the indices watch, the only sector that is staying in the green at this juncture is the metal index, and you have the banking that's down about 0.4%, auto that's down 0.9%. You have financial services as a whole that's down about 0.8%. You have pharma that's down 1.4%. Nifty bank is also losing ground, but not as much as some of the others. Consumer durables also down about 1%. Oil and gas somewhat holding on with cuts of about 0.2%. So it's selling across the board. You'll have to wait and watch as to when this settles down, and also watch the metal space, because that's really been the theme, one could say, of not just 2021 but also 2020, the way that these stocks have rallied. And considering that there could be a pullback in terms of what China produces as the largest producer of steel, Indian steel makers could actually benefit. But of course, this is something that will play out over a long period of time.